Welcome to our special segment of Explainer, where we will talk about the Chandipura virus as it is causing a significant havoc in Gujarat. As this virus primarily targets children, you will be shocked to know that 28 children under the age group of 14 have died due to this virus. The first case of this virus in Gujarat was reported in July, and so far 164 cases have been recorded in the state with a total of 73 deaths. Now, what exactly is the Chandipura virus? How dangerous is it, and how can you protect your children from it? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's understand what the Chandipura virus is. In 1966, the first case related to this virus was reported in Maharashtra. The virus was identified in Chandipura, Nagpur, which is how it got its name. Subsequently, cases were reported in 2004, 2006 and again in 2019 in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. The Chandipura virus is an RNA virus primarily transmitted through female phlebotomine sandflies. However, it can also spread through mosquito or tick bites. When these insects bite, the virus present in their saliva enters the human body, leading to infection. This virus is extremely dangerous because it directly attacks a person's nervous system, increasing the risk of encephalitis due to the Chandipura virus infection. Encephalitis means that the brain tissue starts swelling and inflammation due to the viral infection, leading to a neurological condition. Now let's understand the symptoms. A person infected with the Chandipura virus exhibits flu-like symptoms such as high fever, cold, cough, headache, loose motion, photophobia, seizures, and neck stiffness as its main symptoms. Additionally, bleeding, anemia, and difficulty in breathing may also occur. Even a slight delay or negligence in diagnosis and treatment can be fatal. It's important to note that children between 9 months and 14 years old of age are the most affected by this virus, with the highest mortality rate observed in this age group. Currently, there is no vaccine or antiviral treatment available for the Chandipura virus. The most dangerous aspect of this virus is that its symptoms appear suddenly and the condition deteriorates rapidly. Without timely and appropriate treatment and care, this virus can become life-threatening. The deadliest aspect of Chandipura virus is its death rate. During the 2003 and 2004 outbreak in central India, the fatality rate was between 56 to 75%. This means that more than half of those infected with the Chandipura virus died. The number of young children affected is higher because their brains are not capable of handling the intense swelling caused by this virus. Now let's understand how to protect yourself from this virus. Regularly wash your hands with soap and water. Pay special attention to cleanliness. When going near animals, wear full-sleeved clothing. Insects and mosquitoes play the biggest role in spreading this virus. So to reduce the risk, use insect repellent and mosquito nets. Eat a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, especially those which are high in vitamin C. Exercise daily and drink 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. A strong immune system will reduce the risk of this infection. We hope this information helps you to take care of yourself and your loved ones. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and share the video. Namaskar, Jai Hind.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।